What's the... Okay.
It's the click of a button. Okay. Here's another screen share. Rob, take the helm, the command.
All right, taking command. And wherever my pen went, but taking command. Don, could you jump on the helm?
Got the helm. Copy screen.
Okay.
This, no. Nixpkgs.
So let's see if we can see
timer.
what.
Let me
Thank you.
just open 2 instances of this timer window.
Mm-hmm.
Here's one for me. There's another one over here. And here's an editor. And here's mob start.
Cool. Thank you.
And here's a Nix build of, well, what, do you want to see the diff?
I think so. Yeah, let's start with the diff.
Okay. There's a git log. There's date ISO strict local.
Okay.
Flag. And then I can do, it's supposed to be yesterday, so it'll be 17. I'm sure there's also a command for just give me 17. Here, 1A1A1.
I guess I've just done it the traditional way. Give me the diff.
Don, could you scale up your display?
Yeah. Good idea. Thank you, Priyanshu.
I'll quit the diff then.
We have a comment.
2. Git diff. So other from the other mob, members have added themselves to the maintainers.
Mm-hmm. Man, my freaking video is just, it's not even awake this morning, I guess. All
version is not just a static version. That doesn't make sense. We actually use the grammar DRV version, but that's kind of strange because let's make a note to discuss this. I just want to share the changes, so make a note to discuss the version.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we refactored all this, made better. So there's a comment that says that the name referring to this name here is a grammar derivation p name in the format of tree-sitter-lang.
Mm-hmm.
And then we made a snake case name with lib replace strings. It's basically this, what we had this, but it's used not only for Python modules. It's used for more than that, so we just called it snake case name. So it's the name, but in snake case. And then there's a DRV prefix, which is it's just appending Python hyphen, prepending it to the name, to this name.
So it just follows the naming convention.
Yeah, I don't. I guess it does, but yeah, Python, and this is also used in a couple of places. You'll see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This one, tree sitter language. Yeah, this might be an issue with the language identifier. I'm not sure. Maybe it needs to be an underscore if there's instead of a hyphen between words, if there are multiple words in a language. We have 3 languages currently, only 3 that are not passing the tests.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good news. But also another discussion is to see whether our test is actually helpful with regards to managing to parse a language. I want to see it fail, right?
Right. Yeah.
I don't remember it failing parse. So I'm making a note for us to take a look at that.
Good.
But in any case, it's just removing that prefix from the name, and we get the language identifier. Maybe a better way to do it is to pass the language identifier through the grammar derivation, and then we could possibly use it, right? But there's a to-do here, so we'll think of that. Anything else?
No.
Yeah, that looks good.
Priyanshu?
Yeah, just the languages that were failing. One was Perl, right? The one we saw last time?
Yes, one was Perl.
Okay, cool.
And it's still failing?
Yes. Again, this is like I don't want to look at this side. Snippets is just import snippets, and we don't do this because we use this just one place, so we do it there inline. Here's the rest
so
of
real
it.
quick, I think one thing we could mention for the stream is just the context here. So kind of what's transpired between the last time we were live streaming and now. So there's another mob that is working on the same the same code, and we're just reviewing what transpired in that mob, and that happened I guess earlier today.
Yep.
So yeah.
And I'm in both mobs, that's why I can't.
And Don's our continuity between both.
So here's build Python package. Pname is straight up instead of empty. It's straight up the. Oh, and here it said name. I think it's supposed to be pname, right? It's straight up the derivation prefix.
Oh no, that's the symlink join name on the left. The one in the left.
Right. No, you're right. This is that.
Yeah.
And this is derivation prefix source, because the symlink join is the source.
Yeah.
This init, it's called deriv prefix -init. This we use the snake case name. This deriv prefix binding, scrolling down a bit. And we should rotate.
Yeah.
The diff is the commit is 1A1A1.
That's funny. All right, Don, would you mind taking command?
Got command. You should take the helm.
Taking the helm. I'm gonna start the timer. Sorry. What I was looking at, what commit was it? So
1A1.
I don't. Oh wait, I need to pull mobs. Wait, sorry, mob start. Yep, my bad.
One A1. You don't need to find it. You can type git diff 1A1A1.
Yeah, it should be unique enough.
Git diff 1A1.
A1.
A1. Okay.
Oh man.
Rip.
It's not unique. It's not unique. It's Nixpkgs.
Oh, I guess that's true, right? We're in Nixpkgs, so there's was like over 500,000.
But it should be the one, the first one, anyways, right?
And it says mob next. So.
Yep. Okay, there we are. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh no, this is diffing from. This is not diffing from the base branch.
What?
This is diffing from like Nixpkgs master, because you say maintainer list changes. I'm just gonna look here.
What are you talking about? What did you do? Git show?
I did git diff with that commit hash. Is that one not what I?
That should be correct.
Yeah, but that's showing me like maintainers list stuff, so I'm guessing that's diffing from master. Not sure.
Well, it was updated. There were I think some folks added themselves as maintainers, so that's not necessarily
I'm just gonna
Yeah,
git log.
those changes
Uh,
where you don't have them.
Okay.
I'm gonna check git log. What was the last where we left off? Just do it the manual way.
What do you mean by
Down.
mine? It should be the same. I just don't get it. Here. 1A,
Did the
1A, 132.
Yeah, I got it. It's the same issue. It's diffing against what's it diffing against?
I think we've accidentally formatted maintainers. I think that's it.
Mhm.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So
Okay.
do a git. That's very bad.
Just gonna
See whether Nixpkgs formats it, reformats it correctly. That would be a no, not everything.
Oh wait, that's gonna
Do a git checkout dot.
okay.
Not everything.
Oh no, that's a 2,500 lines change. Oops. File, sorry. Okay.
Just maintainers.
So
Wherever.
maintainers list. It does not format it.
Maybe it's ignored. So it's two. We have added two users there. I can tell you who they are.
Mhm.
Just redo them.
So you want me to
Copy them to a buff. Find them. Copy them to a buffer.
sorry, what?
Find
Two
them.
users?
Copy them. Yes. In the two maintainers.
Oh, maintainers, okay. Okay. So who have we added, Adrian?
Yes, but not this one.
What?
AD Faura is the
Right.
yes.
So what do you want to do here?
Copy it to a buffer
Okay.
and A hyphen Jamadi. AJ.
That's
Him.
it.
There.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Now check out that file.
Check
So
out.
The base branch.
Okay.
No,
Switch
no, no, no,
trees.
no, no, do not switch. To
Check
git
out.
check out tree pseudo Python generated grammars, the base
Mm-hmm.
branch, and then the no, not. Oh, I thought it was going to.
What?
No, just the file from the branch. Switch back to mob slash. Check out the
Okay.
file from the branch. It's just another argument. The file.
Interesting. Okay.
Yes.
Done. And then add these back.
Yep. Add them in the correct positions.
So I'm gonna search for a dash. This comes after this.
Easy.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
AD.
AJ.
Search for space AD. Oh, yeah. Before Adis Bladis.
Cool.
Good. Shout out to Adis Bladis.
so
Nice.
so one thing
Uh-huh.
that I didn't realize up until like I don't know, like last week was you can stash with the -p.
Just close this file, please. I don't
Alright.
like having this file open.
Fair.
Did you guys know that though?
Nope.
You can what
No.
with what?
Stash
Please
with
load it.
-p. So you can stash.
Oh yeah, I love
patches.
stashing with hyphen P.
Well, I was
all the
saying like
time.
for here we could have done that, right?
Unlikely.
Why not?
Because it's huge and it's formatted. So how are you going to find the chunk that you're interested in if it's all edited?
Oh, it reformatted. Oh, okay. I guess that's true. One thing to mention, since we're going to rotate, just real quick, was Adrian mentioned that he has a
Next,
potential fix for some of the grammar tests that he included in his
Of course
element
he
chat.
has. Priyanshu, take command.
right. Taking command. Rob, please take the helm.
Taking the helm. Okay. Let me start our timer.
Don, could you?
Yes. Adrian, if you can hear us, I'm sure you have more things to do. I'm not sure you have better things to do, but you certainly have more things to do.
Okay, so do we still need to keep reviewing the diff, or?
Font size?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. How's that? Any more?
It's okay with
Better.
me, but the audience might. Yes, okay. That's pretty.
Okay.
So yeah, let's continue with the diff. So do you want me to send the?
It's
I
one
think
A,
it
one
was the
A,
same. Yeah, it was
three.
just one A1.
Okay.
Sweet.
So were we somewhere around here, roughly? At Build
Sending
Python package?
join, the first one, and then the second one, the binding. See the binding?
Yeah.
Binding here.
So the one below.
Init. It's importing
There
binding.
we go.
This is binding. So
Mhm.
here we're using the snake case name. That makes more sense
Yep.
Cool.
And
in both places.
that's yeah. Can you scroll down? That
So
seems to
some
be
sub.py
better.
stuff.
So we've removed the beta wheel. I guess that's not required then.
Seems like it.
Okay. Okay. And then we
Cool.
have our.
Simplified.
It seems like the indentation has changed here. And then
Yes.
snake case name.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
Removed a few fields from this as well, and it seems to still work.
Okay.
okay.
I don't
Nice.
know what PyLimited API means.
Okay. We could
Oh,
note.
this.
Mhm.
Also, there
We could-
are compile. There's like a Windows thing here, system Windows, which
Yeah.
probably
So it looks like
irrelevant.
Mhm.
yeah. I'm unsure.
I'll make a note to take a look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Let's move forward.
Mm-hmm. See,
Or
I won't page. I'll just kind of scroll here. Okay.
yep. So again, we have changed Python name to prefix,
Mm-hmm.
and then we got formatting and name changes here. Def. Okay, so some cleanup in test language.
Mm-hmm.
We have
Yeah, some
passed in.
simplifying from
Yep.
when we were trying to print things and all that.
Hmm. So can you scroll down? Seems like the same here, just unindented.
Mm-hmm.
Parse. Seems, yeah. Can you scroll down further? Okay, changing the name again.
Mm-hmm.
We have. I'm guessing that's formatting. Cool. And then meta changes. Right, we've added descriptions and maintainers. Sweet.
Mm-hmm. And then
And
it
then
looks like okay. So we've removed those attributes.
cool.
So
So these are the ones
those
that
are the
we
problematic ones. So
Mhm.
right.
we have a list. Okay. Cool.
Sweet. All right, let's get into the package itself.
Okay.
So, what do we want to start with? Do we want to start with fixing the broken languages, or probably check if our tests are failing for the working languages?
Oh, so we have.
The
Okay,
latter.
Okay. So cool. So let's just introduce
it.
some. Uh, we can
We should,
build. Sure,
yeah, we
yeah,
should build. See that it
works.
is Pearl commented out.
Uh,
Oh,
it's removed, isn't it?
I thought it was removed here. Yeah.
Good, good.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, so I'll
Nix
build.
hyphen build.
Oh, because you want to build. We're gonna build the entire thing. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I need to be at the root, most likely. I think. Let's see what happens. Next, did I run the next build? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you for this little tip, and please narrate
Oh,
yourself.
sorry. That get root. That's actually just an alias I have in my config. I'm happy to share it, but yeah, I had to do that so many times that I don't know if there's a better way, but I had a little alias I put in.
Seems useful.
Mm-hmm. All right, so building. Build. So how many? Do we ever look at how many languages we ended up with from Tree Sitter?
I think
I didn't even count them. I'm just
I
curious.
think we have 115.
Okay, nice.
At this point, we should probably make a draft PR.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, agreed.
This takes a moment,
Mm-hmm.
but then it eventually. No, I don't know why it takes so long. Like strangely long.
Okay, so these all looked okay.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So were there ones you were seeing before, Don, that weren't building?
Yeah.
Or weren't
Let's
passing,
rotate.
I guess?
Mhm. Let's rotate.
All right, let's see if I got anything to next. Got nothing to next.
Okay, passing command to Rob.
Taking command. Don, would you mind taking the helm?
Got him. Let's start, sir.
Sweet.
Draft PR or what?
Yeah.
I think we should
what do you think, Priyanchu?
just quickly wrap up with checking if our tests fail for incorrect syntax, and then we can do just a quick check,
Okay,
and then we
fine.
can.
So I'm going to grammar snippets and a language that I know.
Is there
What if
Nix in
we
here?
don't close
That'd
the curly in CSS?
It'll break.
I remove the closing, CSS. And then we build Nix,
I'm
build
glad you know, Priyanchu,
L.
because I have no idea. Like, I don't know, maybe it works. It's like most of the web stuff's broken anyway.
Yeah.
Python.
Well, if it got shipped, then it would. Oh, it's Python 3 packages.
I know, I hit tab.
Oh no.
Oh, you hit tab.
What are you doing, Don?
Also, shouldn't
I
you
don't know, I
use the
expect it to
Nix
just
dash
work.
build?
No, because I'm building only
Okay,
one. What happened to the
right.
completion though? X build L. It killed my history.
Rip.
Tree
Tree-sitter,
sitter grammars.
grammars,
Tree sitter
tree-sitter,
CSS.
CSS.
Right. Uh, it could pass.
Oh
Fast.
man.
Yeah.
Let's do something
The
in a language that is important,
hmm,
like
Rust or Python.
Rust. I definitely know how
Right.
to here. Let's do
Yeah.
this.
Okay.
Should break Rust.
Not surprised that it passed because even if you ship broken CSS in the web, it won't complain.
Maybe
Silent.
that's how tree-sitter works. Or maybe the test is worthless. I mean, it passed again. Okay,
Yeah, that's worrying.
so sitter grammars fault. This one parse here, yeah. This. So I don't know what we get. Tree equals and like assert.
I was gonna say we're not really
Tree is
asserting
not
anything,
none.
so
Can we print out tree before that? Just in the line before.
Print
th-
tree and
Arrow.
then assert false. Just for it fails.
yeah.
Make sure it fails. Because if it doesn't fail, it doesn't print, if I remember correctly.
Didn't we need to
Yep.
set something so PyTest actually outputs print
If it
lines?
fails, it outputs, right?
I guess that's true. Okay.
Sorry.
Here's a tree object. So
Hmm.
that's enough. I think the tree that's tree sitter, right? It doesn't fail. It gives you a tree object and kind of does what it can. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
So
Not
how
supposed to
how
fail.
does but then how does that then what's the use of our test then? What does fail?
That we get a tree object. That's fantastic.
That's definitely.
But
Yeah.
I think what Priyanshi is concerned with is that we get a tree object regardless of what we had
Yeah.
for bytes.
Even if you pass in whatever, if it's gonna give us a tree object, then
Like,
that's
say you flip flop Ruby and Rust, right?
hmm
I think like the validity of our test would be like that would fail because like we weren't giving anything that looks like Rust.
yeah. So we still get a tree object.
I just wonder if is there part of the object that
Yeah, that
like gives us like just I don't know, this has
hmm
Rust bits in it or whatever language we're working with.
can can we look at either the tree object itself or probably just the tree setter documentation? That might help because that's what gave us the example. The parser equals parser and set language. I don't hear you, Don.
Don, I think you might be muted.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm muted for some reason.
hmm
It's eerily
What do you want to
quiet.
know? I'm not muted now.
hmm
So I think what Priyanshu was saying was, can we go to the tree sitter documentation and see if we can learn about that particular parse
Will be
class?
Python tree sitter. I'm
Oh,
rotating. I don't have time for this.
Okay.
all right. Mob nexted. Let's see,
I
Don. Would
kind
you
of
mind?
feel having a tree is enough. Like we could not. But then what do we do with all these snippets? Like why do we have
Yeah,
them?
that's kind of what I'm wondering too. So, Don, could you take command?
Got command. Okay, I should take the help.
Taking the helm. Wait for this. Gonna do a timer. Alright, do I open the docs for this? I'm gonna
I,
I'm gonna
I
open the
I'm curious to see what's there.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Like if we can easily get some benefit.
yeah, like let's just check it briefly. You don't have to go into
okay.
all
I'm
depths of
gonna
the docs, but like
I'm gonna
see.
check here. So this is what
Basic
this is where we got.
parsing.
Uh-huh.
Parse. We get a tree. If you
Yep.
have your source code in some data structure other than a bytes object, you can pass a read callable. The read callable, blah blah blah. For example, to use the byte offset with CTF8 encoding, blah blah blah, and to use the point. Inspect the resulting tree. Root node equals
This looks interesting.
root
Yeah.
node. Assert root node type module, but start point, blah blah blah, endpoint, children.
But
Um,
this seems
this
good,
is
but what I'm worried
specific
about is that
to
this
each
is gonna change
language.
for each language. It's gonna change.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, of course. Um,
Let's scroll down.
or to use the byte offset, blah blah blah. Walking syntax trees. We don't want to walk anything. Actually, I don't know. Walking and like even just count obtaining some kind of a count of nodes in the tree, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like this tree is not zero. It's like there's something in there that's greater than. Typically, I looked at these. They're typically like there's a document node, which is the root node. Okay, that doesn't mean much. And then there's like some like a something. It depends on the language, but
Mm-hmm.
like we want to see that there's like 3 nodes or 4 nodes at the minimum, whatever minimum we can get away with.
Mm-hmm.
That would kind of make sense, right?
What about this
Yeah.
go to first child?
That there's
What if,
any kind of hierarchy.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Does that
It mutates the cursor,
mm-hmm.
and then you have to check the return. You see that it assert, right? Assert.
Yeah.
It returns a bool to whether it did go into a child or not.
Which would mean that we parsed something.
Yeah, we can maybe even do this twice.
Yeah, so
Probably.
we have something that is of
It
some
has any depth.
depth. Yep. I
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Copy these lines from the top. Yep, we need the cursor, and then we need just
Okay.
paste it
I'm
there.
gonna paste it in. Where do we have the test? Okay. I'm gonna paste it right
Mm-hmm.
below here with this.
Remove the
Indent that
silly
in.
assertions. The assert false certainly.
Yeah. Trying to remove the tree. Yep.
Cursor is tree walk, and then assert cursor node type module. We don't want that. That has no,
That
global
could be
meaning.
different. Yeah.
Assert go to first no cursor go to first child. Remove 126. No, we do need a couple of. Let's try a couple of these. Let's try 3 of these. Let's try 3 assert first child.
Okay. Oh, so
We won't
3.
only go to first child calls. Let's try
All
3
right.
of them. How many
Mm-hmm.
we can
Get
just try
away
one
with.
language first.
Okay.
But bring back, undo the change in the snippets
Snippets, right.
where uncomment Rust and now Ruby is not
Cool.
Rust and so on.
That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna
Try
build
it.
um, Which
building
language
one
are
language.
packages? Tree
Needs
sitter,
programmers. Tree
trees,
sitter. Rust.
Rust, building.
Come on, Rust.
My system wasn't this slow. I remember. What happened? The Nix packages repo is doing some magic here.
Um,
Okay.
Hey,
Oh, that's the third assertion that failed. Interesting.
so we went too deep, maybe.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, interesting. So, do you want to
Give us a
try?
print of the cursor node type. See what we get. You can see the
So,
example again. I'm not sure how to. Yeah,
yeah.
print cursor.node.type.
Oh,
No, not type
yeah.
type.
I'm gonna look at the
Something
docs
like
again.
this.
No, that type.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, show
Right.
us what the node type here is
I'm good. Before the error, right?
before the failure. Yeah. System is slow. It wasn't this slow. I paid good money for it.
So it's just fn. So it's a function. Oh, so that's our function name, isn't it? I'm gonna open the snippets. Oh no, that's not.
It's the function keyword.
It's the keyword. Yeah. So I'm gonna open this back now. That's that's what we got.
Okay.
So
So that's in the case of Rust, it's good. Now let's
Okay.
remove the third one and see for all
Well, can
languages.
we-
Build them.
Can we?
Rotate.
okay.
Yeah, I guess we can rotate.
I should buy a server or something that I can SSH into.
And take command.
Okay. Taking command.
Oh,
Just gonna wait
it
for
didn't.
this. No, it didn't. It's still running. I mean,
My internet.
all right. Next to taking command. Rob, please take the helm.
All right, taking the helm. Start. Oh boy. Okay, so we were looking at snippets, right?
No, with snippets we're done with that. It was just what I'm concerned about right now is that go to first child. If let's try it for another language real quick, and while
Okay.
that builds, we can. So maybe like
I have it
bash,
in here. Okay. So which one do you want to try?
bash.
Bash.
Right. So I'm worried this is gonna get language specific because if go to first child works for any language, then are we really asserting that language?
What do you mean a certain language?
So as we see, it worked for Bash just now. We did go to first child for Bash, and that has worked for Rust as well. So, but then our tests are passing for both those languages. But then
Well,
how how do we know if if that's the language we wanted the
do
test
you mind if I run 3 and just see what happens for bash?
run run what?
The third
Oh,
go-to.
third one. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Feel free.
Well, so one thing, regardless of how many of these go to
You're
child
that.
functions we call. Okay, so There we go. It still ran. What happens if instead of calling the language, like the proper language with the proper snippet, what if we pass something that's not that language? Will we be able to traverse the children that far? Because we shouldn't be able to, right? There should be none if it's the wrong language,
Hmm.
right?
That makes sense.
So like, um, so this, let's see, this passed. So like, if I go to snippets
Mm-hmm.
and then let's see, where are we? Where's bash? So bash.
Yeah, it's the first one.
So let's comment bash out, and let's just say, I don't know. I guess we can just call bean count bash, right? That shouldn't
Mm-hmm.
be anything useful.
Okay.
So let's try that.
Yep. Uh, while this builds, I think like a
Mhm.
potential solution could be just
Nope,
that's
still
passed.
works.
Yeah. Probably we could do something like snippets, not just having snippets, but also a a test with it. But then that's the thing. We do it 115 times.
Yeah.
For each thing. That's the only issue with it. But that's one way because I don't see how we can write a global test unless we can just look at the documentation once more, probably more thoroughly. Maybe
Mhm.
ask ChatGPT how we can assert it with parse trees and like that's we can go down that way.
Do you want me to bring
The
up the docs?
first thought
Oh, go ahead, Don.
that that we had is whether it has some kind of a strict mode where it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't let
Hmm. That
HTML weasel your way out of the tree.
Well, yeah. I mean,
right.
even so, when you stepped away real quick, I flipped bash to bean count. So like, I set that
I saw.
syntax. Okay, you saw it. So yeah, it didn't change anything. Um, Still passed.
So let's ask ChatGPT or probably just let's look at the docs again. If
Okay.
there's some this I think like what Don mentioned, if there's a strict mode, then that's probably glaringly obvious in the docs. So let's
Or in
just
ChatGPT.
Pie tree setter. Not languages, right?
no.
Okay, I don't know if I
Why
have it. Do you know the name of the?
it just so it's GitHub slash treesitter slash py treesitter. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you.
So the one on the
Calm
top now,
down
like
again.
that's just the README. Could you scroll to the top, see the
Yeah,
link?
this one.
No, you top more
Okay.
to the one right here. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm guessing that's the docs for this. Yep. So we could search here
Parser.
for parser. Yeah, maybe tree though. Yeah, so it returns a tree object, and we can okay.
I see that well,
Tree
I don't
walk.
like tree is too late. You have a
Mm-hmm.
tree, you have a tree. That's it. Like you did
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
not
that's fair.
strictly
Yeah.
pass anything.
Yeah. Okay. Let's head back.
Parser.
So
On the right, there's a table of contents for parser.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
set
Include
language, set
ranges.
timeout.
Maybe parse their arguments.
Yep.
Well, here are the
But
arguments for
the
parse. So we have
old
source.
tree. Hmm.
I guess root. Old tree none. Encoding UTF-8. Keep text true.
Right.
So a tree
So
if parse succeeded or none if the parser does not have an assigned language or timeout expired. See, okay, so I'll read
mhm.
this. A parse is slice of a byte string or bytes provided in chunks by a callback. The callback function takes a byte offset and a position and returns a byte string starting at the offset and position. or at that offset and position. The slices can be of any length. If the given position is at the end of the text, the callback should return an empty slice. Okay, maybe not helpful in our case.
Let's rotate.
Okay, let me just see if I have anything next. Let's mod next this. Okay, mod nexted.
So Don, please take command. Oh wait, sorry, Rob. Rob, please take command.
Take command. Don, could you get on the helm?
Got the helm. Starting.
I was just curious. Could we look at the docs for set language, parser.set language, see what's that doing? How does that affect our parser?
It's There's no use. The way it is designed is like permissive, and there's nothing we can do about it. We may as well just give an empty string to parse and see that we have a tree. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
It's we're we don't. It's extra anyway. What we want to see is we have a tree, because if we have a tree, we've
Right,
used the object. That's
right.
it.
That's fair. That's fair. So yeah,
Is
we,
that
we can go
acceptable
ahead
to
and
Rob?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's fine.
All right, fine. So snippet, sorry, snippets removed, and then this fails, but this is empty anyway, which means we can have this kind of quote. That's good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so interesting. So we remove snippets.nix entirely.
Yep.
So,
And this can be inlined here as well,
Mm-hmm.
because it's not even a snippet. And we don't even do this. We just want to. Can we assert like on the just not
yeah,
tree is not null. Tree is
right.
not
None.
none.
Yep, looks good.
And snippets is gone. And I'll go to this file and do %, which deletes it. Delete the buffer. And run all of them. Next build. Not this. All of them. We have more things to do.
Mm-hmm. It's a good try.
This Nix build, the old one, the old Nix build, it's not the flake one, so it does not cache Nix evaluations.
Oh,
I,
interesting.
I think I heard only flakes cache, or like only pure mode cache can cache. I don't know whether pure mode is only in flakes. But I bet we could run this with pure flag.
Probably. I think isn't
Just go
pure the
for it.
default?
Sorry, I'm going to add the L for one, and
Oh, the
then
L won't work, by the way. Yeah.
okay. Let's try the pure. When building my home manager a while ago,
Mm-hmm.
my home manager home, I was like diffing. I was building once and then building again, and I was kind of, why is this different? Why is it not the same? And then I was diffing using Nix diff between them, and I was horrified to see that like some environment variables from the build environment are getting through.
Oh no.
Oh,
So that was one of the reasons compelled me to convert it to flake,
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
in which that doesn't happen.
Yeah.
All right, so this works. Shall we tackle the next task on the list?
Yep. I think
The
so.
next task on the list is the version that I wanted to tell you guys about.
Oh yeah.
This
Hmm.
is pretty wild. I'm going to open up the Nix repo for here, Nix packages.
All right.
I'm going to show you guys that the tree sitter grammars, um, like whatever tree sitter. Can I? Is it? What if I just? You see that they all have the same version.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Is
I
that
think
the
it's
tree
because they all
sitter?
have the same version, like all of them, because even though they don't all come from the same repo. So many of them don't even come from the tree sitter org
Yeah, they're like their own plugins essentially.
projects.
Yeah,
Yeah,
projects.
separate
Yeah.
projects and the separate repos from
Mm-hmm.
community, and they probably have versions. Hopefully, some of them have versions. But the way that these packages are generated, it's all 0.22.5. It's inheriting. They're all inherit the version of tree sitter itself.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure,
Yeah.
right? Tree sitter dot version.
Yep.
And that is
Yep.
wild. What is going on? Like, what happens when these are bumped? How can you
Oh.
bump this? How can you update the source rev, right? Because I think this grammars JSON is see individual JSON files,
Mm-hmm.
and you can
Hmm.
see that they have individual revs. And here, like this is Zealot 128. It has a rev. Maybe it doesn't have a version. Maybe it does have a
Mm-hmm.
version, but like they're bumped, and that means their hash changes, the store path changes, but remains the same version.
But that's the important part, right? Is that the hash changes.
N-
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
that's the important part. It is the critical part, but
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
what about the important part? Next, it
All right. Don, could you take command?
got command. Priyan should take the helm.
Taking So I'm assuming that um that's so that's fine with respect to our, like, I guess that's been changed. I'm gonna open up the package. So right here we've done inherit version. Version comes from the grammar DRV. So I'm guessing this is what we want to do, and there's no changes here.
Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is what we're doing.
Yeah.
We are inheriting this nonsense. Excuse my
Cool.
Yeah.
French.
Well,
Okay.
it's like I feel like definitely it could be worth discussing this, but it's going to have to change a lot of things in the tree sitter, like I don't know, framework or the way that it's updating because it's
Yeah, we're just
yeah,
inheriting this problem.
yeah.
We're not creating
Yeah.
it. It's an existing problem. So, but
So
we're going to keep it right
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
as is.
So I guess the next thing we should do is continue with the draft PR then,
What
and
about
like
that
clean up.
Windows thing?
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
I had that on
I'm gonna
mine too. Windows.
I'm gonna
So I think
scroll. Yeah.
I think what we could do, Priyanshu, you should spin up a Windows VM and then try to build Nix on it, and then just kidding.
No, Rob, don't break character. You have to wait.
He would have done it though.
No,
Uh,
no. I was reflecting on your username. I'm like, yeah, that's sarcastic admin right there. Okay.
sorry, I broke character there, huh? Uh, yeah. I mean, I don't know. What do we want to do with this?
Like,
Just
okay,
hard
so
code it to the remove the condition. That's it.
uh
If
So
it's
so you
not,
want to
if it's
just
not
do,
Windows, what's the
but
logic
Nick,
here?
but
Hmm?
isn't Nix kind of trying, they're trying to support it on Windows? But that is
potentially.
that to WSL or?
Well, another argument for leaving it as is because we copy pasted from like upstream, albeit we did remove a bunch of. Yeah, from the setup py we did remove a bunch of things. We
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
only the binding file we left exactly as is,
Right.
with filling in the language names and
mhm.
Mm-hmm.
whatever there. So
So do
this
you
we
want to
can
keep?
feel free to. I don't know. Do you really think this will be built on Windows? Whatever. We can leave it. I don't mind.
I
I
mean,
think we're not testing it on Windows, but whatever. I don't mind. You want to
I
run it
guess,
on
I
Windows? Run
guess,
it
I
on
guess
Windows.
it's helpful for us, right?
You
Because
know, I find
it's
that I found
not Windows. Now that I look at it,
mm-hmm.
so I guess that flag, that compile flag, makes sense for but the else, yeah, I don't know. When's that case gonna end up happening? Maybe never, but I feel
Hmm.
like that's so minimal.
Yeah,
Like,
let's leave
Yeah.
it.
we'll leave it.
Okay.
Is there a
So
case where there's a comma and a missing space after it and some import there? I think that has been fixed.
sorry, where?
Yeah, I think it's been
Comma.
fixed.
Okay. So next up would be the Pi Limited API. I think that's we didn't know what that does. Do we want to check that out?
Yeah, why not find out?
Yeah,
Okay. I'm
I'm not
gonna open
familiar
up.
with that.
I'm gonna open up setup tools dot extension docs. Okay. Building extension modules. Gonna search here for Pi Limited API. Okay. So opt-in flag for the usage of Python's limited API. Is there something else on this? No,
I think
that's
you
it.
just click what is the limited API? Like I don't even know what.
I'm just gonna search. Sorry. I'm just gonna search
Is
their
it broken?
documentation.
Is it broken? The link's
What?
broken?
That link.
No, no. I opened it in a new tab. I just want to
Oh,
just check setup tools. Just is there anything else on that? But yeah, that doesn't seem like it. So
hmm.
Python's what's this? Python limited API.
Yeah, limited
This is
C
just
API.
define this macro before including Python.h to opt in. Only use the limited API and select the limited API version. I guess
Read
that's
above.
important. Okay. Python
No,
C
well,
API.
not that up. This one is.
For simplicity, this document talks about extensions with the limited API and stable API work the same way for all users of the API, for example,
Sorry, I
embedding
meant the
Python.
paragraph right above. The limited C API. It's right below,
Oh, this one.
honey.
So Python 3.2 introduced limited API, a subset of Python C API. Extensions that only use the limited API can be compiled once and work for multiple versions
Okay,
of Python.
fine. This is
Okay,
one of them. Cool.
cool.
Seems good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm
All
gonna
right.
close this up. We can leave that in there,
Mm-hmm.
and
Next
then
up
yep.
is the question of whether this should be flattened or not. But that can be discussed in a draft
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
uh, PR. What's the expression at the bottom? The final
So
expression in the
you mean
file.
this? Yeah.
Yes. Map alters grammar to Python package, built-ins remove alters. That's all. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah. Also, what does built grammars actually mean? I mean, we just observed what's in it. We didn't
Hmm.
actually see that this is the right thing. It seems like the right thing to do. So let's do it. Let's
Open up
rotate
PR.
and
Okay.
then
Cool.
we
So
can do it
we're
Okay.
gonna do mob next or mob done.
next.
I'm just gonna mob next. Okay.
Otherwise, if you do a mob down, you can't rotate.
Cool. All right. Mob next.
Say
Oh, there was
command.
nothing. Yep.
Strange.
Rob, please take the helm.
Okay, taking the helm.
Cool.
All right.
So
Sit.
just so yeah, we'll need to do a mob done so that like a draft PR isn't spammed with our mob next messages,
Mm-hmm.
and then like so our base branch would be on the draft PR, and then we can just fork out of that in our mob branch, do our next there. Yeah, just like we did with Luvula last time. So
All right. So
done, you okay?
mob done. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Cool.
Not
Okay.
done.
So that seems to have passed. So
Do this.
which branch are we on now? We're on the base branch.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
We got tree sitter Python generated grammars.
Okay. So we can open up GitHub and make a draft PR for this.
Shouldn't I
What?
commit these?
Sorry.
So
Can we see the staged diff? Because I don't know what the
Oh yeah.
change in grammar that we did.
okay. So
Okay. So would you want to go
valid.
do, Don? Grammars?
Next file. Not our file. Not our file. Some existing file changed. I saw.
Okay.
Yeah, we removed. I just saw it. Remove
Right.
address.
Remove language.
Oh,
Hmm.
Are we still? I don't think we're using this
Yeah.
now. We
Yeah. We're not
revert that.
using language anymore.
okay.
So we
So we don't
can we
really.
can
We
So
add.
can leave it alone, probably, huh?
Hmm.
mhm.
We can add back language. Amend that
Yes.
to our commit.
Okay.
So
So
could you do that? Hmm.
that was
We
tools
see the
parsing
path here.
grammar, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Get staged. I'll just copy this over.
Okay. So
That's not
we
restored
can
all
restore
the
that
time.
locally.
Yeah.
Yep.
What was the check? I'd have just done it once. Actually, I'm
I
doing it
guess.
twice anyway. Okay.
So
That's
just
better.
yeah, that's better. Can we check what the commit message is? Because that's gonna be so.
And
Okay, so the
that's
problem with this is
mhm.
we need to add maintainers in a different
Oh,
commit
yeah.
for Nix packages. Yeah,
Hmm. Are they gonna want one per? You think?
I don't think so. I think one commit should be fine.
Okay.
We could do two just to be safe, but I think let's just do one and let them comment on it.
Okay.
Maybe that's yeah.
So I'll remove this from being
Can you
staged.
check git log?
What-
Is we have just one commit?
Careful.
There's no commits right now.
Oh, that's just
So this
staged.
is
Okay,
yeah.
cool, cool. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah,
So let's get rid of this. Or status. So
Can
let's
you
commit the
copy
huh?
the? We have like a pre-made commit message in the
Okay.
.git directory. Copy it somewhere so we
Which
don't lose it.
wait, in the Nix repo?
.git right here. .git
Yeah.
inside .git.
Uh-huh.
Commit edit message.
Where is it? Commit.
It's all
Oh,
caps.
the capital, yeah.
That's
gotcha.
it. That's that's it. That's not what I expected it to be. Hold on. What?
Okay.
What
No,
happened?
no, 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 not this. Is there another one?
Da.
Squash
Squash
message.
message. That
Yeah.
looks
this one. If you scroll down enough here, you'll see these.
Yeah, you wanted to put that in the commit so they're all referred to.
Yeah.
Put
Okay.
this somewhere. Just put it in our chat
Matrix.
even.
Okay.
Yeah, just put it in Matrix.
It's actually not this. Hold on.
Big V.
Okay. Okay.
Now we can do whatever we like.
So go ahead, commit.
I would. Um, how did you? What did you? Did you like? It doesn't make sense that this is the first commit. First commit should be the maintainer list commit.
Yeah, I
The
mean,
maintain.
I was just gonna flip flop them, but I mean, I just
I
didn't want
mean,
to do two restores.
there's a problem with this even. So in the future, if you're gonna do mob done, and then if you want to add commits to our late to whatever commit, then if our changes are the first commit, then we'll have to do a rebase instead of just a normal amend. So that's another thing. So but yeah, we should do the maintainers commit first.
I mean, it's easy to fix things up. I mean, it's not that. I don't find it that big a deal.
Fair. That's yeah. That's a.
I
But
was just
let's
gonna
do the main.
reshuffle them at the end. Is that okay?
We can do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. So if we commit this,
So this would be the message would be something like what Python 3 dot packages. Oh, no, sorry, Python
oh
3
geez.
packages.
Okay, so this takes everything. So we don't really
Wait,
want any of this.
let's rotate.
Should
Or
we
can we?
keep
Can we?
me driving?
You can always rotate the captain.
Yeah.
Yeah. So passing command to done.
Oh man, that included all the diff.
Timer.
Yep. T7. Thank you.
Focus on your Vim. Press GG.
Yeah, so that's the
Press
top.
big V.
Okay.
Search for hash.
Okay.
Go 2 rows up.
Yeah.
Delete.
Yeah, I was going
And
to all the
write your message above.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So it would be Python 3 packages, not the dot. So the convent. So we
like
just do
this.
Python 3 packages, Python 3 packages,
Yep.
yeah, and then dot. So we could. Would
This
it
is
be
the
like
ground.
Python 3 setter star because we're gonna add a lot of a bunch of them?
But it's under there. There's no more Python. It's just
Oh,
3
there's no. Okay.
sitter grammars. We don't know yet whether it'll be flat or it'll be an adder set. I think it'll be
Okay.
flat because I did not see an adder set in there.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
perhaps we do a star, like you said, 3 sitter star
Okay.
Like this.
without grammar
Without the grammar.
Sorry. Okay.
and without the
With
dot. It's 3.
yeah,
Oh, it's
It's
just
like a
all
word.
the
hyphen.
yeah.
Hyphen. We'd still have a
I,
hyphen though. Okay. Yep.
And give us a blank line between this and
mm-hmm.
blank line.
So line break below. Yeah.
Like this.
Uh.
All right.
Yeah. That's just gonna be there. So back to the first line, we'll have not two actually. We won't have two blank lines.
Not 2 blank lines.
Yeah.
Okay.
So colon
Yeah.
after the star. Oh, okay. Now we do our init at probably 0.22.5, I guess.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
That seems right.
Done. Okay. So Cool.
That look good?
Let's commit that.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add the maintainers.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it individually. I don't want there to be more back and forth. I don't see any commits that add two maintainers at once anyways.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trying to think, should we just copy the username here?
Yep. So maintainers colon add and then the username that it'll be plural
Maintainers add.
and then a line break.
Okay.
Yep. That looks good.
That line is meaningless because there's nothing below.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
said-
There's no co-authors, right?
We're okay.
Yeah. And then the same for Adrian.
Adrian.
Yep. And then
So I was just gonna reorder them.
yeah.
Oh, maybe not. Holy crap! Just kidding.
Wait. You can just do instead of master you can do head 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
And how's that?
Cool.
Good.
Okay.
Sweet. I think
Do you want
I
to
think
open
we
up the
can
draft PR?
yeah, let's go ahead.
Okay. Let's see. Let me get my remotes.
GHPR create with draft flag.
Yeah, I just wanted to push it up to my remote, but GHPR and then create, and it's just like draft like that. Because you don't open
The
draft.
rest is interactive.
The rest of it is interactive. So if I go create, it'll just prompt me.
No, I don't know whether draft is interactive after the
Okay.
draft.
Let me try help.
I do this all the time. Flag draft is good, and the rest is interactive.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
No, that's not fine.
Yeah,
Should
the
be-
engine it should be the
I
one
guess we
below.
have access to this. Yeah. Okay. So I'll do that. And
The title will be the commit name, so
yeah,
Python
so
3 packages, whatever.
0.225. That look good?
I'm getting like
Uh,
TV or something from you, Priyanshu.
Sorry, I'm muting.
Mm-hmm. That looks good though. Done.
That looks like the commit message.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, from the template.
Mm-hmm. Edit. I don't think we need to include this, right? We don't need this.
Sorry. Yeah, that
Just the
I mean,
commits.
we can just add a description. So probably
We have
worth linking our issue over at NGI packages for this.
Yeah. Agreed. Let me go find that. GI packages issues.
So it's 139. Yep, there we go.
Okay.
Cool. So
Do you want to add anything else to it, or just leave that?
we should.
Priyanshu, take command.
Mm-hmm.
Taking command. All
And
right.
just include this enabling multiple grammars for true sitter.
Timer.
Yeah,
Let me
timer
set the
first.
timer.
Okay. Don, could you help paraphrase this?
What is
So it's just a
this?
PR description that we have to add.
This this generates. Are you transcribing? Are you writing?
Sorry. Okay. This generates.
I'm
A,
gonna be right
a
back.
Python package for each tree-seater grammar in, or for each tree-seater grammar that exists in, do like a, I don't know, a hash, like a flake path,
Mm-hmm.
right? Hash. Uh, I don't like it because then we actually need to say legacy package, blah, blah, blah. So don't do the hash.
Okay.
Do it in backticks.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, tree sitter dot build grammars. Period.
Mm-hmm.
This generates a Python binding package. And blah 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 blah. Yeah. Like as requested by that issue, as requested in, and then that issue.
Yeah.
I would put that above that line, one line above.
Okay. Seem okay?
That's the description.
All right. Fill this out. Built on Linux. Tested. Let's see. Like we tested.
Nothing depends on this, so we don't need to run the one above.
Yeah, the one
There's no
above
breaking
is.
changes.
Yeah.
It's no significant.
Fits
This is all
contributing.
NixOS stuff. Not relevant, right?
Think we're okay there?
Yeah. That's good.
Okay.
Yep.
Go ahead and right quit.
Mm-hmm.
Submit as draft. Here we go. All right. Got our draft. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in our chat. See if that, there we go. Put it in chat. Okay, anything else?
Yes, go in there.
Okay.
And go to the files changed and
Let's confirm.
go to the line where there's a to-do that says, about whether this should be flat.
Looks like a bunch of tests have failed.
Okay. Let me let me take this and I'm logged in on Firefox. If you want me to comment on something.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to comment on 135?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Should we comment on the entire thing?
No, just this.
Okay. Yeah.
We didn't see any package sets inside Python packages, so that's the transcription. Sorry,
Okay.
package sets inside Python packages.
Mm-hmm. That's all we want.
So we will go ahead and flatten this unless unless we're told otherwise. Punctuation
Mm-hmm.
So
didn't
VR
we're
VR will have an apostrophe.
if you don't punctuate we're, it's were, and
Yep.
didn't
Didn't.
deserve one. We're told otherwise, but we didn't see any packages generate. Like, yeah, we didn't see any flattening in top level either. So I guess this will be the. So we guess this will be the first. We guess. That's good enough for me.
Okay, I'm just
It can
gonna
be
add
a
it.
single comment, I think,
Yeah.
because we don't have much to say here.
Yeah.
Ouch. So that's one.
Okay.
So one other thing, our maintainers list is not sorted. I think that's one of the errors. We should look at that.
Mm. Okay. Yeah, we could flip flop the two A's.
No,
What
no,
is
not the one in 130, but the maintainers list. Anyways, we should look at.
Oh, you mean the actual?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's gonna come back to get
So,
need to be fixed.
all right, I'm gonna pass command to you, Rob.
Okay. I think nothing to next since everything's pushed up. So, Don, would you mind jumping on the helm?
got the helm? Mob T7.
Mm-hmm.
Git switch the base branch. Git full. Mob clean. I'll go to the PR. Can I find it here? Yeah, show. No, I mean I clicked show so that I could press the friggin'
It's no use for us. We can't copy anything out of it.
Nixpkgs.
That's annoying.
Pull requests. HR. Files changed. Checks.
Yeah, see what freaking grenaded.
Something. Run something unnamed. What am I supposed to see here? Couldn't find remote refs. That doesn't seem like us. I don't know what this is.
Huh.
I'm
Could
gonna
we look
close
at
this.
just the name of the errors at the end of the PR? I think they're
What?
self-explanatory. Some of them.
What do you mean?
At the PR itself, so that the name of the checks that we're failing.
In the conversation.
That's at the end.
Yeah.
So
There we go.
yeah,
Okay, so we have a
seems
fun
like
thing that needs to get
yeah.
done. Okay, that's fair enough.
Where is that? That's just not correct. It failed, but for a different reason. It's not us. Not our formatting. Come on. It failed to find remote ref something. It's not formatting. This should be like restarted. Maybe it's flaky. I don't know.
Well, could this be because we put a PR in from a fork, and for some reason
It's always from a fork.
No, I know it's
Yeah.
always from a fork, but I guess what I'm wondering is like, is it trying to use remote refs that don't exist in that remote, that fork? So is it trying to do some, I don't know, some like,
There's nothing unusual here. We just have 3 commits ahead,
mm-hmm.
and it's from a fork. That's normal.
Oh yeah, I know. I mean, I've put in my fair share of packages. I'm just, I don't know what this action's doing. It's just,
I
it
mean,
looks like it's complaining about a merge, some
I
merge
have some
commit that doesn't exist.
yeah, I've had some experience with this where the 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 tests are failing on some other thing, and the logs are telling some other thing.
Yeah.
So I think we can probably address the ones we can fix, and then see if this still exists.
Mm-hmm.
Just a
I think that's
suggestion.
fine.
For what it's worth, 32783 is
Oh, is us.
this.
Okay.
Yeah.
But look, it's fading here, here. Generally distorted, probably the same reason, the same reason.
Mm-hmm.
Nix files are parsable. What do you know? It's the same reason.
Did my, when I pushed, I didn't push to NGI packages. I
You
pushed
didn't?
to No, I pushed to my own repo. I kind of forgot that we had NGI packages we could write to,
But
but
it is
it is there,
NGI.
right? Or click on
Yeah,
that. Like,
yeah,
You,
did it
you,
actually get pushed?
yes,
yeah.
you
Because
pushed. I saw you pushing to NGI.
Well,
hmm
I did it in GitHub, the GitHub CLI thing, so I
Yeah.
wasn't really sure. I
Look, I
don't
mean,
trust
I
that.
have it, right? Here's the log.
I just want to make sure.
I don't have it. What the heck? I don't have it. Don't,
did you
that's not.
did,
Well, did you fetch
That's not.
did you
NGI?
get pull? Yeah.
Yeah.
I did. I did. Maybe I didn't. Wait.
It's hard to
Git
see right
pull.
now because we've got the PR.
I have permission denied public key here.
Yeah,
I
remember this
think
was the
I
same.
have. So git remote. So at least for me, this personal
Oh,
problem.
for what
Um,
it's worth, I can see it on my end.
Okay,
The
so it's
heads,
good.
three
At least
commits
it's
ahead.
there.
in any case, I need to fix mine.
Hmm.
Hmm
Well,
So
yours, that looks good.
no, so maybe I'm pulling it from the wrong. So git, but this supposed to track. How do I see what it tracks? I don't remember.
Don, can you get rid of the PR like message that's in the screen share right now? It's covering up your cursor. You know what I mean?
What did
Oh,
I?
the on StreamYard.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's what
Yeah,
it
You,
does. I'm
yeah.
sorry.
That's what that does. Yeah, I didn't know how we hit that either. I thought you did that on purpose. It looked nice.
It looks nice. So
Okay.
how do I see the branch when I do git pull here?
Hmm.
What is attempted? I'm doing it
Yeah,
again.
but just specify it. Like, I mean, we can set the tracking bits and stuff, but that's just for here. If you just want to do it,
I
do git pull and
git
then
pull
NGI. Wait, is it NGI dash
NGI
pack?
Nix.
The NGI Nix, and then
That
that
should be
should
enough.
be enough. See, you are able
Not
to,
specify branch. Git pull NGI
yeah. So
Nix.
pull the
E
same.
setter Python
Yep,
generated grammars
that's fine. There you go.
log. That's correct.
Okay, cool.
No changes. Rotating.
Okay, Don, take command.
Yeah, should have helped, please.
taking the helm. Gonna run up T7. All right. So we were at the errors. I guess we can look through these.
Yeah, I mean, it's like Don was saying though, it is kind of weird that we can't even do a checkout.
Hmm. What's
Like, is there a GitHub failure right now? I don't know if I'm gonna check real quick. I just
hmm how
no, no. There's a GitLab failure today, but not
I'm
that.
gonna just check pull requests to see if others are failing.
Okay.
This seems like okay. I'm just because the maintainers list is okay. So this editor config is failing here as well, I think. But what I wanted to say is, going back to RPR,
Mm-hmm.
is the maintainers list sorted error. Like we have put the things in the correct places. It's just I think it's just not sorted on master itself, and then
Oh.
I think that's why that error exists. Specifically for this one.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure what the
After
for.
you saw the printed error in that run,
Mhm.
you think there's a chance that this actually is about the maintainers list?
It's because I had that experience before where something else was breaking, and then that caused some BS error that I couldn't I couldn't
Also,
understand.
it's a
Yeah.
merge error, right, or something to do
Hmm.
with the merge. So look, we have
Oh,
a package conflict. Yeah.
we have a conflict. Yeah.
I think we got to fix that.
Let's fix
Yeah.
it.
We
This
That's probably
might do it.
yeah.
right.
If it
So I'm
fails to
gonna
merge, there will be no such imaginary merge
Mm-hmm.
yeah
thing.
I'm gonna I'm gonna check out to master.
No, master.
I guess
We
I can just rebase on my master, right, and like just pull on my fork and then rebase on that.
That's fine.
So I'm just gonna open up.
fork
There was a
what?
command
Oh,
for this. Wait, I'm
Sorry.
just
I just
gonna
What?
git
oh you
repo sync.
Why are you?
Uh,
Hold on.
don't worry about that.
It sounds like you're
That's
doing
that's extra.
strange things.
Yeah.
Okay,
Can you pull master? Pull it.
this is my local my forks master, not
So
in
do you
Nix
have it?
packages master.
In
What
this
what
clone,
remotes
do
do
you
you have?
have Nix packages remote?
Yeah, let's just check the remotes.
So
Dash
that's
V
origin. Yeah, that's yeah. So okay. What wait, sorry.
V. Yeah, V is in
Yeah,
Victor. Okay, so
You
cool.
let's
don't
just
have Nix
add
packages.
let's add Nix packages
Mm-hmm.
upstream.
Yep.
Just
Okay,
call it upstream. Yeah,
upstream. Okay. I'm gonna just
go get
copy
it. Yep.
copy that upstream. Added the remote,
Mm-hmm.
and
So then
then
do
Do
we?
git branch and then the flag set upstream to, and then
is that the name of the
n upstream
upstream
slash
master?
master. Yes. I think
Hmm.
that might fail if you didn't fetch yet, but try.
Does not exist.
Yeah, do a
Uh,
git fetch upstream and then try that command again in a minute.
mhm.
In the meantime, could you find how to see the upstream, not to set the upstream? Is
So
it just upstream? Like git branch with upstream flag? Can you try that?
git branch upstream.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you mean?
Yes. No.
So unknown.
Find out.
Um. So you want to What do you want to do?
We just set the upstream.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
want to know how to get the upstream.
Like which branch is follow, like what upstream is a branch following? So like how would we query for that information while we're on a
But
particular branch?
so I'm guessing it follows the default branch.
Find out, please.
Okay. So I'm gonna search GPT. What what branch does
How do you get? How do you
uh,
get Git to print the tracked branch?
okay? So to git status dash sb, this command shows the short and concise out status output including the upstream branch.
Hmm.
Or dash v shows the local. Okay,
Try it.
gonna paste. Git status takes a while.
Okay.
That's
That's what we want.
gonna do git branch dash
Cool.
vv
Do a Git pull now.
Well, no, he hasn't.
from.
We haven't set the upstream, right? We just fetched.
We did.
Oh,
Set upstream.
we didn't do this.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Okay. Now run git status sb. Oh, just want to see if it now we should see it that it's changed.
Yeah.
It.
Cool.
Yep.
So I'm
Anyway,
just gonna.
update here,
Yeah.
which
Probably
is
nothing to next.
you don't have
Oh, my bad.
mob next here.
Nothing to next here.
Take command Piancha.
Taking command. Rob, please take the helm.
Okay, taking the helm. All right. Okay, so we wanna go ahead and fix the merge conflict, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So we can actually, I mean, so Priyanshi, like what
Timer.
you were doing,
Timer.
I'm just gonna I'll kind of follow along on the same path.
Timer for
Yep, mob
status.
T7, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and let's update master. So git pull, I'm gonna use R because I want to make sure I rebase.
Mm-hmm.
Upstream.
What do you mean? Do you have anything on master here?
No, but it's just like a habit.
Oh,
I
you're
don't
not
like.
on the. Okay, I got it. But yeah, okay, I get it. No, you're not updating your local master. You're just
Yeah, it's just
rebase.
because like pull will then do it
Yeah.
tries to rebase,
Depends
and then
on
if
the
it can't rebase,
config.
it
We know.
merges.
Yeah.
It's
You
like
can.
it's like a ridiculous default.
You can change that in the config. I've done
You
that as well.
can. I usually
Mhm.
don't because I have to. I work with other folks. I don't want the behavior to be
Okay.
radically different. So
Fair.
I'm gonna check back out to our branch, and let's rebase master.
What branch were you on?
Huh? Yeah.
You
You
were
were
on this
already in.
branch,
No,
You were
it's a
already.
git checkout dash. We'll just go back to the previous branch.
but you were
But
on this branch.
yeah, you were already on this
No,
one.
I was in master, so I
You
checked
No,
out
were.
to
you were
master,
on.
updated master, and went back. We could have just ran it. We could have
I
ran git
think we
pull.
were on this branch.
Yeah.
That's what I
I
saw in the
agree.
prompt.
No, my
You
prompt
were.
is just this prompt is just the present working
Oh.
Oh
directory.
no.
Sorry,
Oh.
I don't
Okay.
put git information in the prompt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. Rebase.
Okay. All right.
So that's the conflicts that we're looking at.
There's our conflict. Hey, what the heck? Oh, hold on.
Okay. So
So it
tree
looks like
sitter.
That is the end.
that was the end. Oh yeah, sorry. And here we go.
Right.
Copy the bottom.
Mhm.
Just yank it, put it in a buffer, whatever you need to do to keep it,
Got it.
and then accept the head,
Mm-hmm.
the head section. If you can
Yeah.
copy it and paste it over the entire thing. No. Accept the head. Accept the upper part.
Yes.
Just
I think
copy
there's
all these lines that are in the upper part with big V, not with small
Yeah.
v.
Okay. Big V.
That's not big V.
Why am
That's
I?
Control V.
Yeah. Oh,
Big V
Control
is
V.
Shift V. No. Big V is Shift V.
Shift V. Okay.
Yeah. Paste, yank this, and then select the entire conflict, and then paste over with big V.
Big V.
but
Look at that. There
Not
we go.
Control
Big
V.
V.
I hope you have the
And
line that
then paste it here, but don't lose the one that we previously asked you to yank
Okay.
to somewhere safe.
Yeah, I didn't put that in the right buffer.
could
Okay.
we just
Start over.
remove
Yeah, why
we
can't I
can
just
just
remove?
remove the
Okay.
head and the
Do it if you want to. If you
No,
want to do it another way, do it another way.
yeah.
I mean, let's just say, okay, let's just say this. Paste this, and then let's get rid of this line.
Yeah.
Isn't that okay? And then
And then move grammars to
down one. And I guess we gotta organize it.
yeah.
So
Wait. Okay. Interesting. That isn't even organized, by the way. It's not. But yeah, we can organize it the way. Cool.
that's smallest diff, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's definitely not. We got Rust in there.
Time. TikTok.
Yeah. Let's continue. So
Git add.
hold up. There was a trailing.
There was
There
an
was a trailing
extra.
space there.
Yeah.
The diff is not correct because some of it is staged and some of it is not. So do a git add and then.
But there was
You
a
saw
trailing.
trailing spaces at
There was
the end of
there.
some
There
line.
it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's fine. No.
I can't just add that. Okay.
Not with P. You can't do with P here, right?
Yeah. Packages. Okay, and let's get rebase continue.
Well, now you can do a diff. I'll tell you what you got.
Okay, so we got the
You
diff
know-
here. So that's
this
fine.
now.
And then here's our conflict. And it looks like I still have that new line. So let me go ahead and clean that up.
Space, you mean?
The space, excuse me, yeah. Is that
X.
grammars?
X would do it for you.
Why did it? It's mentioned in grammars,
It
yeah?
was, yeah, but it was like a red something. It wasn't even a trading space, was it?
Hold on. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what diff looks like.
Cool.
That looks good. Okay. Get rebase continue.
Awesome. Yeah.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Push and then let's
yes.
rotate. Push, force.
Okay.
All right. Let's rotate. So
Just in time. All right.
yes. Passing command to you, Rob.
All right, taking command. Don, can you take the helm?
You got the helm. 27. Hit pull. Going to the PR. I think that failed.
I think that's again for the remote
So
tracker.
git status.
It was git status dash AB or SB.
B. What's S? No S. SB. I think it's not tracking anything. That's why. Does that make sense?
Could be.
Git branch set stream 2 NGI Nix tree generate grammars git status S B. That's up to date with, but then SB is nicer. So now I can pull. It's maybe unnecessary. In any case, go here to our PR. I think it's this one.
Yep,
And
seems like
there we go.
everything's special.
Just reload this. What's this? It's the only one that failed so far, but there's also this.
Maintainer AJAX bits should be listed after. Yeah, that's not our. Wait, what? Not. Oh, it is our. Not after. Yeah, it's not ours. I don't think. It's not. That's not ours.
Well, I think that maybe that is ours because I mean I think it's a little.
This is
a little odd because of the hyphen.
Yeah. No, I think it's just the ones, the two maintainers below A-J are the ones conflicted.
There.
Yeah.
Tell me to fix this.
So maintainers list, the second, third last. Yeah. AJ.
What the heck?
So,
no, that seems. You're right. It does seem.
Wait, I think. What?
Where's Ajax bits? I think it's removing the hyphen when it's sorting.
Oh, so it doesn't care about the hyphen. So actually the hyphen. Let's just assume it doesn't exist in the sorted list.
No wonder, like A Camarillo is up there.
Yeah, is right there under AC. Okay.
Cool.
So it would be. It's confusing.
Yeah, that seems correct.
XY. Look at that. That's so close. Okay.
Yeah.
Git add P. Removal, addition, git commit. A mandate now. There will be an edit.
Wait,
hold on. I don't know if you want to amend because you're going to shove it into the wrong commit. Just commit it as like.
I'm doing git log.
Yeah.
I want to amend. No.
It's
this one.
So just commit it.
Oh, check out this tool. Check out this tool. Git. Wait. Git instafix.
Oh boy, what is this?
You just choose one.
Oh, so it takes the current diff and then it'll apply it to a previous commit.
So it's amending to a previous commit. That's neat.
There you go.
I packaged this for Nixpkgs. You're welcome.
That's nice.
Nice.
Enter. Error.
Don was waiting for that one.
Your changes
I don't know what this is.
What did it do?
But I want to see a status.
Yeah. Oh boy.
What? Oh no. You can. Oh my god. Okay, can you check aborting rebase? Oh, I think it did it and then it.
I can always just reset to the upstream.
Yeah, but could you git log?
Yeah, git log.
So you see, it's just
it just failed.
Yeah,
it simply failed to apply it for some reason. Maybe it fails to apply. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know how that works. It shouldn't fail really. It should just, add it here. But that's interesting that it can fail. So I'm going to do this manually. Okay. And here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to reset to add with hard to add upstream.
Wait, did we want hard or you wanted soft?
Hard.
Hard. That's good.
We lost the
I
diff
can. I
then.
can. Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. It's just
I
moving
know,
it
if you
from
just
one
do
section to the
soft, it would have just kept it.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what my working directory is. After that failure to apply, I don't know what that is.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
git rebase interactive on, I don't know, head 3, 4 backward, whatever. And I would like to edit this one. That's all I want.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go here, AJ, take this, Ajax bits. What did we say? X, Y?
Yeah, below that.
And then git add with P, removal addition, git commit amend, git now, no edit, seems whatever, fine to me. And then git rebase continue.
Yep.
And that's it. That's git push with force. But git instafix is otherwise fine. This is the first time I didn't make the tool. I only packaged it.
I think what happened is because your remote was kind of, the tracking upstream was kind of wonky. It's probably looking at some additional metadata for the branch and getting confused. That'd be my guess.
Well, we have pushed again, and let's see what happens. Well, we can rotate, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So, Dawn, would you mind taking command?
Command branch should take the helm, please.
Taking
I'll
the
be right back.
hell. Start the timer. I'm gonna head back to the PR. So maintainers list has passed, and that should pass. So we didn't do anything in by name. Yep, that has passed. We're just waiting on Offborg now.
All right, let's go flatten it.
Wait, hold on. Why do we have a Ryan TM commit?
Go up. Go all the way up.
I'm just gonna refresh. Probably that's a. Okay, never mind.
Go all the way up. Go to commits. You see, there's 4.
Yeah.
Click that. That should not be in our branch. Don't know what that is.
2 minutes ago. Wait, you committed it 2 minutes
I
ago?
did this somehow. Oh, maybe because I rebased on some commits.
That isn't merged.
Yeah, not that isn't. I don't know if that isn't merged. Yeah, just I think you can just rebase it on on master. Yeah, I don't know how that happened.
Okay, I'm gonna switch to our tree sitter. The generated grammars.
Probably
Then I'm
wanna
gonna.
keep fetch there.
Okay, get fetch. Wait, do we want to fetch from upstream specifically?
No, you want to fetch from NGI.
I was just thinking to pull on this branch.
Git reset with hard.
Why do we want to do that? Can we just rebase? And I think that should work.
You
I'm
don't
gonna
want to
check the
rebase
log.
because you will be rebasing what you have here.
Okay.
You first want to get to what, not pull, git reset.
Okay.
You just want to have what is tracked. That's what you want to do.
Yeah.
Not, you want to discard what you have here and reset to what's tracked. So git at curly upstream.
Upstream, sure.
Yep. This is what is tracking. What is
Okay.
tracking.
Cool. So I'm gonna check the log again. We have we have the
that thing. It's because I did rebase head 4. That's like the.
But
just
that
drop it.
shouldn't.
Does that make sense? You can drop it?
But
Git rebase.
You could
I think
hit
can we?
master again, and it should kind of
If you're
settle itself.
okay, I'm done with that. Git
Okay.
rebase upstream master. Your master
Mhm.
is not necessarily up to
Oh
date.
yeah,
Is
Yeah,
it?
but
the
no, I did it. I
you
did it
updated
just
you
the
updated it.
last. Yeah.
Cool. Then do it.
Hopefully that doesn't. So this is an ongoing rebase. Cool.
Wait, what?
496. Really? Really? Really?
We could
Hmm.
have.
I don't trust this.
Yeah,
That
this seems
doesn't
weird.
seem like.
That's weird for
Let's
sure.
see what happens. Oh, I guess it's gonna
I
take a
don't want to
while.
wait all this.
Yeah, it's gonna
Cancel it.
take a while.
Can you? No,
Oh, we were doing a. I think it's
that's not.
status. Just see what state we're in. I'm just curious.
Yeah. Probably a clean
Well, yeah,
working.
we could be in the middle of something.
Yeah.
No, okay, so we're okay.
Do you want me to just update
Git,
local master?
just to be sure, git log.
Your log. So
Good. Now git
we're still there.
rebase on Nix packages master. Nix packages
Upstream
upstream.
master.
Yeah.
Cool. Interesting.
There we go.
So
That's
Git
what we
log.
wanted.
it successfully did it. It just
Mhm.
didn't. Wait, what?
It's basically so when you go back, if you like git reset or what was it? We did git rebase interactive head tilde 4. We went back to we included a merge commit,
Mm-hmm.
and when you do that, it drops the merge commit
Okay. Yeah,
so
no,
you end up with the actual commit that was from the merge, and that's why
that
you
makes
saw it in
sense.
there. But get smart
That's
enough
good
if you
insight.
rebase
Yeah.
it'll rebase on the
I'm
same branch there. It'll fix the history for you.
right.
Git push with force.
Hmm.
What I'm concerned about is the state changes I see here. What is this VS Code
Yeah,
bugging
you
out?
should be
Oh,
concerned about your editor.
Yeah, unsure.
it's just gonna start as there, but yeah, should. That's weird. Interesting. That's just VS Code. Okay.
I think
So
it's because you have untracked files.
no, it's just VS Code doesn't update quickly on Nix packages. It's gone now.
VS Code is
Okay,
struggling.
Yeah.
fine.
Okay. So yeah, seems like that commit is gone. It's good. So where are we going next? Sorry.
To flatten it.
Okay. I'm gonna open
Flattening needs to happen in the
top the
top level.
Hmm.
okay Python packages. There we go.
The best this can
So
do is what it's already doing. So this won't be here. I think it'll be either at the start or at the end, and like with a merge or something.
with the
Cut it out of
merge,
here.
yeah,
Yeah, it
that's
needs to
fine.
merge with. This is a big literal adder set, right?
Mm-hmm.
So our little adder set needs to merge with this big adder set, and that can be
Correct.
just a merge operator at the top of or the bottom of this, or
Okay.
above or below this. So I don't know. Pick your
Well,
poison.
there's nothing below. I'm gonna just check what's on top. Probably put it there. Wait, did oh I'm I think let's just rotate.
You can't rotate. Just undo it
Yes, undid.
and take command.
Taking command or please take the helm.
Okay, taking the helm. She fetch NGI Nix. Because there were changes, yeah? Yeah. Just gonna grab this. It's up to date. Okay. Looks good. Okay. So we were gonna go. Should we go back to the Python, the top level Python stuff? Is that
Mhm.
where we were to flatten this?
Yep.
Okay. Up level, pick the spell,
Python packages.
Python
Yes.
packages.
Second list. Yep.
Okay.
So we head on and remove tree sitter. We cut it out and then do some stuff with
And then
it
we're gonna
on the
do it up
top.
at the top.
Yeah, I think there's lib.recursion to address. I think that's kind of similar, or oh, it seems like there's something going on up top. We'll do it up top, right?
Okay. Where was Python tree sitter?
Dash grammars. Yeah,
There we
there you
go. Okay, so you want this out.
go.
Okay.
Right. So we can put it
So
here.
I'll put this in a comment for now.
Okay. So
This is
and,
already in. Line 9 is where that literal adder set starts.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
we
we'll
can
have
place it there and have a merge.
yeah. So could you put it like make a new line there above line 9, and then put our call package in an address set there, and then or or whatever that is we want to do, like rib.
Stupid
Could you put
question.
it? Could you put it up?
Yep.
Yeah. And then
I have a
yep.
stupid question. It
Uh-huh.
seems relevant.
Go ahead.
Where is call package from?
That's a good question.
So it's with self, right? So it's self dot.
Right.
I'm guessing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The abominable width.
Hmm. Oh, so we'll just make a new line there after with self, and then that's where we put it, because that's just a
Yep.
function. Yep.
Yes.
So it's actually below here.
Mm-hmm.
After the semi
After
with self.
yeah. So just put make a new line, put parentheses on the call package.
Hmm.
Wait, what?
Wait.
After
Make
the
it.
semi and before the open curly on
Yeah.
line 9. Yep.
Okay. There.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're
Take
gonna
this.
yeah, and then just put in parentheses, put a slash. Yep. So
So
forward
merge it.
slash forward slash.
Sorry. Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
The semi won't be there anymore after the yeah. This sh- this sh- this should work if our this is the call package is gonna give us an address set
Mm-hmm.
of all of the things. So this should work. But then already I can see that if there's gonna be conflicts, then the below one's gonna be preferred. So
Mm-hmm.
Sorry?
so if
Con-
there's gonna be conflicts on the address names,
Mhm.
the second address set is gonna be preferred, right? So just heads up there.
So you want to try and build?
In this case, we probably want to do after.
Hmm.
Ooh, so go to the bottom and
You don't want to lose a package because of some strange,
Correct.
you know. If someone after us goes and adds a package and they cannot find it, that's good.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, that's correct. So could we just do that, Rob?
so send it toward the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then just fix it up top.
Yeah.
The
Let me just
okay.
paste this.
Oh, it'll be outside the closing.
Oh, it's outside. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
and then /. Yep, looks good.
And I'll go back to.
Cool.
It's okay. It's how it was. Yeah, was there space?
Yeah, that's correct. Oh yeah, there was a space.
There was a space. Okay.
So can we just run a Nix packages filmed here, just to be sure if that's how we're formatting?
Yeah. Let's see.
Can do it from the editor.
Oh man, I lost it. Okay, yeah. Hold on. Top level Python. Can I just run it like Nix packages font or?
Mm-hmm. Well,
Yeah.
if you have it in scope, you can run it.
I do.
Otherwise,
I do.
well, then you need the file path will be percent.
Yeah.
So you can use
Okay.
percent as an argument.
Font percent. I was gonna say I usually have it in to run it automatically if I ask for it, but right now I think my dot files are a little screwy. Okay, so this looks good.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Could you look at the diff? What did it format?
Yeah, I mean I can just go ahead and leave. Let's see.
I'm gonna
Hit diff.
pass command.
Oh, I changed a bunch of other stuff too.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass command to Don.
Okay.
No,
Let me just.
we can
Just
just undo that, because nothing seems like what we changed didn't change. Sorry, it didn't get formatted. But yeah,
I
let's start the
have
timer.
command.
Mhm.
Timer, please.
T7. Okay. So
Let's just restore everything except for our call package,
How do you plan to
yeah,
do that?
or
I can
just restore everything and then add our thing back. I don't think it'll take long.
I agree.
okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab it. I'll put it in a G.
It's not much to grab, really.
What?
But okay, do.
I'm just gonna grab it. There we go.
Yeah. Git checkout.
So
Git
git checkout, and then I
dot.
can just.
Dot is good. Don't even need
Oh,
to
dot. Yeah,
specify.
dot. I like that one. Okay.
Go back in there. Go to the end. Merge.
Just don't need that.
You do need a merge operator.
Mm-hmm.
And good.
Okay.
Now, if we want to build them all, we need to figure out a different way to build them all. I don't know how to do that. With a pattern. With an asterisk. Well, we can do it from the REPL with filtering.
Yeah.
But we don't need to do it. Just see that one of them exists. Build one.
Yeah.
I'm going to assume that the rest exist. Well, it's not there now.
Oh, it's not there anymore. Yeah. All right. Oh. Okay. So is it just going to be?
Tree
What is it now?
sitter bash.
Tree sitter bash. Okay, we're building infinite recursion encountered.
Cool.
Do you want to look at more of the error
Well, I have a feeling
here?
this is because of self.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because of with. Sorry.
With, yeah.
But it might not be. Who knows? Show us the code, please.
Mm-hmm. The code from, yeah.
The top.
Okay.
Self. Super. And then an adder set. With self is for oof, this is nasty. Wow. This is like you have all of the Python modules in this scope.
Mm-hmm.
All of them. You have all of them in scope, and you have a call package in scope, and you have a lib in scope. So scroll all the way down to what we're doing.
Mm-hmm.
That call package that we're doing, it will call that function, passing it stuff from the scope, including something that is defined in something loops. I don't know what,
Mm-hmm.
but something there loops. Something there is infinitely recursive.
Could we not just do recurse into adders? Or am I understanding this incorrectly?
Can we see our package again? Like, no, I don't.
You want,
Recursive to adders doesn't. I don't think it flattens and results in something flat. I don't think that's what happens.
here's our package.
Go to the top to the call pattern, call package pattern.
Let's see.
Python has inside of it Python packages, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But every package is going to have this.
Yeah.
Wait, what do we use Python for?
Let's see.
Python packages
Oh,
tree sitter.
for the tests, because remember we needed tree sitter itself.
But what's the? Just get this from. I mean, that's silly. What?
Can we just?
It's Python. Oh, packages. Oh, this is not Python packages. This is just normal packages.
No, it is Python
This is
packages.
Python packages.
Yeah.
So just remove the prefix.
Do you want to next?
Priyan should take command.
Taking command timer, please.
I'm not sure that this is
You want to keep driving?
the infinite recursion.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it might be. Like, why is this Python package a tree sitter and not just tree sitter? This is a Python package, right?
Yeah, I don't think
Because in our test we are importing language and parser, and that's from our tree-sitter Python package, not from the normal tree-sitter package.
So it's specifically the Python
It's
package.
it's scoping problem.
Yeah.
We have two yeah, but we have to solve the scope. We should try to solve the scoping problem some other way. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the other tree sitter? I don't understand like why this is Python packages tree sitter.
We could. Oh yeah, we could just
Sorry,
get
can
tree
you
sitter
search,
from the
please?
imports. Sorry,
That's what
we don't
I'm
need.
trying to.
Yeah, we
Rob
can
is
just get tree sitter from the imports. No, we don't need to do Python.packages.
unless tree sitter is some kind of a. I don't think it is. Can you search for tree
No.
sitter anywhere else here?
Yeah. Tree
That's
sitter.
what.
Oh, it's Python. Tree sitter. Okay, you got the things we're ignoring. Tree sitter comment, remove prefix in our binding, and that's it.
Yeah,
That's it. So just
that's
remove
it.
the prefix here.
Yeah, and then we can put it up top on the import.
Okay.
Also, probably put it after PyTest checkup, like just to be chronological.
Okay. Wait, hold on.
Okay. Why do we have the last comma for again? That's weird.
It's Nix
Um,
packages. I don't know.
I don't think that's an Nixpkgs thing.
Okay, we want to try it real quick.
Let's see what Priyansh
Yeah.
is saying about the comma.
Okay.
So up top,
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
we don't want that.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. Then we try to build. Still.
Okay.
Go back to that. Take a look at more of those. What's at the top?
Mm-hmm.
Packages. Do we do anything from packages? Write text file, symlink join, and lib. Build Python.
Quite a few
package,
things.
write tests. Blah blah blah. It might be the merging because
Mm-hmm.
we are like the merging is something with the precedence of the merging. Can we?
Can we not? I still think we can just do recurse into address. Can we not? Can you explain at least? Like, why can't we do that?
Yeah, there's two sides to it. I don't know that we cannot do it.
Mm-hmm.
I do know that somewhere on the other side something needs to say flatten tree. I think it's called flatten tree.
Okay.
And I don't know that that's happening here. Maybe we can add it. Maybe perhaps we can look at a different
Top level.
top level where there is flatten tree
Do I want to
or
check
any
that?
other kind of merging. Yeah, that would be a good idea. But I think at this point we probably want a mob branch again.
Mm, yeah, that's true. Because what do we have? We have a couple things. Do you want me to
Stash,
stash them? Yeah.
mob start, pop, mob next.
Wait, from what branch? Okay. Yeah, we are on the right
From
branch. Okay.
grammars. I think that's okay,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. Just wanted to confirm.
Okay, so go
Wait,
to top level. What's wrong, Priyanshu?
we didn't use a create flag on mob
No
start.
need.
No need. Okay. Cool.
It did its thing, right? It prefixed it the right way.
Created
Yeah.
when there is no remote branch at all.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense.
So you want to go ahead and look at the top level.
Mm-hmm.
And then what do we want to search for?
It was packages at next. Just or you just wanted in all of top
Well, it
level?
sounded like we were looking for a particular like function so that we could kind
Mm-hmm.
of see if there was other examples.
Okay. Yeah. So we search for what was it? Tree filter tree? Is that good? I don't think yeah. Oh,
Flatten tree.
Flatten tree.
flatten tree. Sorry, my brain fart there.
Doesn't look like there's anything in here.
Where is it then?
So I'll search all the packages. Doesn't look like it's in packages. Top level. I don't know if that's the right name. Flatten. Oh, ayo. Map adders flatten.
It's a specific, to if you find a definition of what's the other side of it? Recursing to adders.
Yeah.
Now we can rotate.
But yeah, let's rotate.
Okay.
Okay. So could you move next? Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Mob nexted.
Passing command to you, Rob.
All right, Don, take the helm.
Got the helm starting. Sorry, this did not work. I can always start the timer, and I can, since mob start does a fetch, now I can reset with hard upstream. Now I can mob start. Now I will search around for recurse into attributes, which is kind of all over the place.
Yep.
Maybe equals, right? So it seems like it's in build adder sets. So the docs for this should say something like flatten something at some point, like going up here. Make various Nix tools consider the contents of the resulting attribute set when looking for what to build. Find this function only affects a single attribute set, does not apply itself recursively for nested attribute sets. And then we need to see what those are, various Nix tools. So it simply sets this to true. So if we search recurse for derivations here, this is in don't recurse into adders. We don't find it here. Something is using it. So let's find what's using it. Right? Recurse for derivations. Some test tool, some scripts, some some editors, some tests, some apps. Here, top level, remove recurse for the remove recurse for derivation, Python aliases, release lib package. What's release lib? Else if value recurse or fails package platform something. Doesn't seem like it. Package config. Top level aliases. Remove recurse for derivation. Removing recurse for derivation prevents derivation. But I don't see anything fancy. This is literally just remove. I mean, maybe we could see where it is called from, but this is literally just removing it. Map aliases. Maybe it's map aliases, map adders, blah, blah, blah. But I specifically remember a utility because I used it. I can even find. I think I can even find where I used it
I was
before.
gonna say, should we just go look in the commit history for anything that you've recently done or whenever you
It's in
did?
NGI packages.
Okay.
It's I believe it's in. Here's a another shell NGI packages. I don't know if it's still there. This is being refactored recently. What's funny? You think my code deserves removal?
No, it's just funny because it's like, yeah,
Uh,
there's, you think it's there, and then you go look, and you're like, oh, wait a minute, nope, that's gone.
so apparently there's some flattening going on here. What is lib? We have our own lib
Hmm.
for some reason. Lib.nix flatten adders. I think this is it in at least in the case. So it's custom. I was hoping for something that is not custom,
Mm-hmm.
right? So this is flatten adders. This takes an adder set of arbitrary nesting adder set containing adder set, and flattens it into an adder set that is not nested, i.e., does not contain adder sets. This is done by concatenating the names of nested values using a separator. So you end up with something like, if this is your separator, it's like 1, 2, A, B equals X. Right? This is a path of the original nesting. But it's not in Nixpkgs, so I don't know what Nix.
Yeah, maybe is there an
Packages does.
alternative or yeah.
I think we
That's
should
weird.
instead take a good look at that problem we have, because even if we were to, like, I don't know, if there was something that flattened it, we don't need that extra feature where it, end up with a path like this.
Yeah.
We don't. We just want to
Mhm.
merge this where we want to merge this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right. So
Mm-hmm.
I think you can always just do it. I don't know, one level higher or something to just avoid that problem. So I'm going back to, where's this? This is Nix. So I'm going back to our top level Python packages. This file contains the Python package set. Each attribute is a Python library or a helper function. Expressions for Python libraries are supposed to be in. Yep, that's what I put. Python packages do not need to be available for each interpreter version. Do not belong in this packages set. Examples are Python-based CLI. More details, please see the Python section in this package manual.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I feel we should take a good look and, like, for example, it takes self, and it takes super. So maybe we can, like, merge it with super instead of, like, trying to merge it with this one or something. I don't know.
So we were saying that we think that
I have no changes.
the call package was coming from self.
I rotated. Rob, pass command, please.
Sorry, Don, take over command.
Command. Priyanshu,
All
take the
right.
helm.
Taking the helm.
Mm-hmm.
You were saying, Rob?
No, I was just saying. So it's coming. So the call package we're using comes from self. Is there any? Is there any value of, like, explicitly saying super, like use the call package that's available from super?
Priyanshu, mob start, please.
I have just this was just now.
Oh,
He
got
just
it.
ran
Got
from
it.
2.
Mhm.
Show us our file,
Okay.
please.
So gonna head to wait was we were in top level packages. All
Python.
packages.
Python.
Oh, we're in Python. Okay.
Hmm.
Top level Python packages. Cool.
Top. Can we see whether it works if it's at the top?
So you mean okay? I'm gonna.
So if we call it first.
So you mean just put this merge on top?
Yes, that it's the first, that it's the left-hand side of the merge operator.
Mm-hmm. So it's gonna do this. Not sure formatting, but
Go ahead.
Nixbuild
Hmm.
-L, not that one. Python 3 packages, tree, setter, grammars,
No.
tree.
Yeah, remember it's flattened now. They're the
All
same.
right.
So tree
So
setter
tree setter
bash.
bash. Yeah. Waiting for it to evaluate.
Next thing we're going to do if it doesn't work is just comment out all of all of the other Python packages.
Okay.
There
Same
you go.
same error.
Comment out all of the other Python packages.
Everything.
Yup. Leave it as an empty adder set.
Can I do a page end? Page down. I can do a page down at least. Wait, can I not do?
Why don't you
How do I?
go to the end
Mm-hmm.
and then
I'm
select at the end?
So you mean just
Yeah.
okay?
Shift click.
Yeah, cool. So I'm just gonna comment that out. I think that should be syntactically correct.
Hmm.
Yep.
Just
See whether
merging with
now
an
we have it.
empty. Okay.
I mean, it should fail for another reason because we have dependencies now that don't exist.
Mm-hmm.
But then we could try to uncomment one of them, perhaps.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is I was given a tip um, to debug it this way. Okay, so this is actually nice because we see that this is already infinite recursion.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like why doesn't this happen with any other package here?
That's
So
a good. That's
Yeah.
a good trick. Yeah.
so comment out. Let this be the only adder set. Comment
So
out.
this as well,
Yep, and the
and then the
bottom
bottom.
of it.
Yeah.
See whether it has anything to
Wait,
do.
this. All right. Gonna build again.
Okay.
With merging with a, I can't believe it would have anything to do with it.
Yeah.
Is this a could you just go back there, please?
Mm-hmm.
Back there to the top.
So
What? There is no there's no precedence problem here because the only thing this expression is like it's with self and then semi and then a merge operator. There's no ambiguity there.
yeah. Can
Well,
can we
for us,
can we
ambiguity
just
for us.
do self dot call package? Just a
Just be explicit about
random
it.
debug attempt.
Well,
Yeah.
did it pass now? What happened? It's
Same
empty.
error.
Okay. Well, I would ask, hold on, what's going
Mm-hmm.
on? What's special about our adder set? Can you show us how do we make our adder set? We
Mm.
we map the attributes. We go into packages tree sitter, built-in built grammars, and we do a mapping on that. So we try to access packages. Is that like not allowed?
Yes, that's kind
there?
of like we were talking about. We already have tree. Don't we already have tree sitter?
This is
So do we really
different.
need to go into packages?
Yes. These are the built grammars. Does that make sense? This is packages tree sitter, not the Python module package tree sitter.
Yeah.
This is actual tree sitter library. So maybe if we're not allowed to use, so let's not do this. Let's do this. Replace this with an empty adder set temporarily, and map nothing. Rotate. No,
Okay.
I didn't mean that.
You're gonna undo and rotate. Up next. So you wanted a map on an empty adder set?
Yes. Okay. If that's the problem, we can find a way to pass it that is not problematic. Maybe not from the call package somehow.
Next. Nexted.
Okay.
Priyan should take command.
Taking command. Rob, please take the helm.
On the helm.
It's our no. We stop here.
We're done.
Oh, we stop.
Yeah, we're done at time. Okay,
Good.
just kidding.
All right. Thank you for watching. Sorry for leaving you at this cliffhanger. We will continue this with the other mob tomorrow, which will not be live. So I don't know if you care, follow the PR.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We have a comment from Mjolnir's Revenge. NGL, this guy's setup is blinding to me.
Yeah, not sure what it's in regarding to.
He doesn't even have a clock. Literally unusable. Who doesn't have a clock?
Oh no, he was saying you, because you're full screened, so that you can see your clock since you're full screen.
I'm not full screen. It's just
on the terminal, I think.
When I hold, I can share screen again. It's only when I hold meta or super.
Oh right, yeah. That
you see this. I think he's streaming at low res though, or they. I don't know. No pronouns. No pronouns are stated. Yeah, just guess. That's good enough. All right. So thank you. We're going offline.
Yeah.
See you next time.
See you guys.
Thanks everybody.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.